In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your block list on Gmail. If you ever find yourself wondering if you blocked someone, or if you just want to manage this list, you're in the right place. We often block email senders to prevent unwanted messages from cluttering our inbox. However, there might come a time when you need to review or update this list, and knowing how to access it is a crucial part of managing your email effectively. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you're going to want to open Gmail on your computer. This is essential because the full settings we're going to explore aren't available on the mobile app. So, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and head to the Gmail website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're inside your Gmail, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your entryway to the settings. Click on this gear icon. This action opens a drop-down menu where you'll find See All Settings. Selecting this option will direct you to a new page where you can access a variety of configuration settings for your email account. On this settings page, you'll notice several tabs running horizontally across the top. We're interested in one particular tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Go ahead and click on that. This tab is where Gmail keeps track of all your blocked and filtered addresses, making it an essential area for managing who gets through to your inbox and who doesn't. Now you're at the important part. If you scroll down a little, you'll come across a section specifically labeled, "The following email addresses are blocked." This is the list you're looking for. Here, you'll see each email address that you've blocked. You can scan through this list to check if someone specific is blocked, or just to see how extensive your block list has become over time. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your blocked list on Gmail. Now, you can make any changes you see fit, whether it's unblocking someone or simply being aware of who's on your list. Keeping this list updated is a simple yet effective way to ensure your inbox is manageable and that only desired emails get through. Regularly checking your blocked addresses can also help you stay organized and maintain control over your email communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to make the most of your technology.